Zardari and Ms. Bhutto Zardari.
One daughter and two granddaughters.
That's right, my lord. My lord, before I start with my very brief arguments, which I have tried to compile together, if your lordships would just give me 1 minute to do a little bit of housekeeping for your convenience. My lord, I have filed CMA number 1582. This is the mainstay of all my arguments, my lord. It's based on 70 pages, and it deals with the 10 questions or issues, as my lord Mandu Khel had pointed out in the recordic reference, that were framed by this honorable court in its order dated 12/12/2023. Out of those 12 issues, my lord, I have addressed 7. So this is in CMA number 1582. Then, my lord, I have also filed before your lordships. Filed just now, my lord, paper book number 1. Paper book, I don't know whether it is with your lordships. It's with your lordships, my lord. Paper book number 1 carries, my lord, the transcript of the interview of Justice Retired Naseem Hassan Shah on Geo. It carries a CD and transcript of the excerpt of the interview of Justice Retired Durab Patel, which he gave to PTV and which was telecast by Dawn News. Then there is excerpts from the book of Hamid Khan, titled History of Judiciary in Pakistan, and this is an interview of the former Chief Justice of the Lahore High Court. Then I have given Black's Laws Dictionary, my lord. Then there is a cutting of the New York Times, which deals with the removal of the Chief Justice of Pakistan, Justice Yaqub. Then there are 2 letters, my lord, which Shahid ذوالفقار Bhutto wrote on 7/5/1978 and 28/6/1978 to the Chief Justice of Pakistan, stating various reasons and asking him to recuse from the bench. These letters went begging, my lord. Then I've also filed, my lord, a report of the Convention of International Jurists on the trial of Shahid ذوالفقار Bhutto, which was unfortunately held on the day of his execution, that is the 4th of April at London, which had leading jurists attending.
Where are the letters? I can't find them.
My lord, the letters are at tab 6, my lord.
It's on a plain piece of paper.
Yes, my lord, these were written on a plain piece of paper.
No, it's not a photocopy.
These are photocopies, my lord. These are photocopies of the original letter that
it doesn't have a signature or anything on it.
My lord, it does.
Page 29.
I'm sorry, my lord. Yes, it doesn't have the signatures, my lord.
Okay. Better copies, eh?
This is a retyped version, no?
These are retyped versions.
You have the original version?
My lord, I've done my level best, but I've not been able to get the original. The original was perhaps sent from the district jail.
Where did you get this from?
My lord, from the old record that was present with Mr. Yahya Bakhtiar's daughter now.
Okay.
That was also in this shape?
That was also in this shape, my lord. It was in this shape that I have received and put copies, my lord. And then, my Lord, there's at number 8 is the opinion of the House of Lords in the Punisher case. And lastly, there's the Sindh High Court Bar Association's case, my Lord. My Lord, on the last date of hearing, my Lord, the Chief Justice raised certain queries and asked me to take those up. And before I commence the arguments, I would first try and answer the queries that my Lord raised. And the first question that my Lord raised was the names of the persons mentioned in the examination in chief of Masood Mahmood. The names are, my Lord, Waqar Ahmed, Cabinet Secretary. This is at was Waqar Ahmed, my Lord, Cabinet Secretary. Haq Nawaz Tiwana.
Just also tell us, was he produced as a witness?
My Lord, in the next question.
No, keep telling us, Waqar Ahmed produced?
No, my Lord, Waqar Ahmed was not produced. Haq Nawaz Tiwana, former DG FSF.
Haq Nawaz
Tiwana, my Lord, former DG FSF. He died, my Lord. Then Mr. Said
died at the relevant time he was alive?
Not at the time of the trial, my Lord.
Okay.
Then, my Lord, Said Ahmed, Chief Security Officer of the Prime Minister. He was examined, my Lord.
Chief Security
Officer, my Lord, to the Prime Minister. He was examined.
Examined as?
PW2, my Lord.
Prosecution witness.
My Lord.
And what did he say and did it?
Sorry, PW14, my Lord.
And what did he say and did it conform with what Mr. Masood Mahmood had said?
My Lord, he in actual fact was the main collaborative evidence that the prosecution produced.
Which one?
In fact, Sayyid Ahmed Khan, my Lord. He was the only evidence that was produced to collaborate the statement of the approver, Masood Mahmood, my Lord.
Is it they are the same in material terms, or they're different?
My Lord,
Mahmood's and Said Ahmed's statements.
My Lord, they are not essentially same in material terms. The gist may be the same, but by and large they are different, and the very credentials of Sayyid Ahmed Khan are also questionable. As
Sayyid Ahmed Khan was a government servant?
Yes, my Lord.
Grade?
Grade 21, my Lord, if I'm not mistaken, my Lord. My Lord, if your Lordship would see paper book CMA number 1582.
Are we done with the names?
No, my Lord. Then we have Miaں Muhammad Abbas, Director Operations of FSF. He was examined. He was co-accused and he was examined. Then we have Muhammad.
As what?
As
PW, DW?
He was an accused, my Lord.
342.
Examined as?
At 342 iska hua tha, my Lord.
He has not been examined.
Not examined.
He has not been examined. वो तो मुल्ज़म था जी.
जी मैं मुल्ज़म था, my Lord. जी उसने बयान दिया under 342.
So okay, to that extent.
Yes, my Lord, to that.
And what does he say in a nutshell?
My Lord, he in a nutshell talks about how the operation was conducted and how
He implicates or exonerates?
he does not mention Mr. Bhutto as such. He talks about the orders being passed down to him by Masood Mahmood, and how the operation, or so-called operation, then went on.
इस 342 में माना है. 342 میں مانا
نہیں
ہے
اس نے کنفیشن
نہیں
میں
سر، اس
مانا
نے
ہے
کنفیشن میں مانا ہے،
اور 342 میں اس نے
اس نے ریٹریکٹ کیا ہے میں
ٹرائل میں نہ وہ ایگزامن ہوا نہ اس نے کوئی ایسا بیان دیا.
جی سر،
ٹرائل میں نہیں دیا.
he retracted in 342
وہ تو
میں.
دے دیا.